Mi gente, buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches, good morning, good afternoon, good everything. How y'all doing? We're back today con otro videito. Another little video for y'all. Vamos a sacar el Scatpack. We're gonna take out the Scatpack today, finally. Gonna get some sound clips of that. I'm probably gonna get some food, because I am hungry. Como mediodía, like 12, 1 o'clock. Voy a agarrar un poco de comida. Llevarnos el Scatpack, get some sound clips, get some good some rollers for y'all, maybe, if I can find a good spot for the camera to set it up at. It's an ugly day outside. It's real gray. It rained yesterday, so that's why I can't film no bike content. So, but it's alright. We got the Scatpack. When it rains, we got something else, you know. I'm gonna get y'all a little cold start. Let's get it. Let's get it going. Ay, Dios mío. Parece, it looks like I gotta throw a battery jump starter on that so we get it on, because I guess the cold killed the battery. I need a new battery, so we're gonna have to go pick up a new battery. But we're gonna get that jump starter on there, get it turned on. We got the battery tender hooked up. Let's try this again, see if we can get it started. So the battery tender wasn't charged. It didn't want to turn on, so I just went ahead, put up the Ford and jump started it with the cables. I didn't get it on video because it was just me and I forgot to get the camera. It's on now. I'll get that startup clip for y'all soon. Don't worry. Y'all want to hear that from the cold start, but here she's already a little bit warm. It's a little bit cold. You see all the condensation coming off of that. Inside the Scat now. Battery voltage is saying it's 14.2, 14.3. Saying right there, so I'm thinking it was the cold weather. El frío fue el que causó que la batería no quiso prender el carro. Pero ahora, let's roll out. Let's go get these clips, baby. Everybody, so I just talked for like 10 minutes and I forgot to even record.
I communicate very well.
My 2019 Dodge Charger Scatpack, 392, obviously, duh. But you never know. You might just clicked on the video, you don't know nothing about the car, or you're interested in the car and want to know more about it. It's the 6.4 liter V8, 485 horsepower, 485 pound-foot of torque, I think. I don't know the stats like that. I didn't read the brochure, you know what I'm saying? Nah. But yeah, it's like I've had it since new. I got it, had like 12 miles on it, and I'll try to throw some pictures up when I got it brand new or when it was at the lot. And I sent this picture to my dad, and I was like, look, man, I want to get this car, and it's and thanks to God, gracias a Dios, we got it, 2019. And I've had it ever since. It's been my daily, it's been my race car, it's been everything, honestly. I've done everything in this car, man. No, it's been so fun. It's the power. I used to have a 2007 BMW 335i, the twin turbo N54. It had a E85 30 tune MHD. They had downpipes, full straight pipe, the burger motor intakes. and I raced a 392, obviously, in a closed course, the 392, and I had beat it. But I got this, and it's great. The power delivery is nice. It puts you in your seat. For being 485 horsepower, it puts you in your seat, man. It's decent. It gets around. It moves for how heavy it is. I was chilling with my friend Gente, and we had it down to the little scales that we have close to the house, and we put both of them on the scales, and he has a G37 Infinity. On the scale, it came out to like 3,600 pounds or something like that, and I put this on the scale, and it was like 4,400 pounds. With me in it, I believe, yeah, no, with me out of it, it was 4,400 pounds. So it's heavy, but it gets around for its weight, man. It moves, it's comfortable, it's big. For me, you know, I'm a big dude, I'm not little, I'm 6 foot, you know, I'm heavy set, so it fits me comfortably, and I've enjoyed it, honestly. Mid muffler delete. I still have the rear resonators. I'll let y'all hear that right now. Throw it to the outside cam, get some hopefully, if the wind isn't too bad, get some exhaust clips. So it's mid muffler delete, high flow cuts. To the engine, nothing to the engine. I got a K&N drop-in filter, so that's probably it. Done the front lip, rear wicker bill, and diffuser. And yeah, man, I've really just enjoyed this car. It's been my daily, so I can't go too crazy, but I'm thinking about getting the next car or something else, another daily, so this thing's gonna be, we're gonna get some plans going for her. Introduce the car to y'all, get some sound clips. I'm gonna do a walk around right now. When we get to the destination, we're done, we're gonna do a little 60 for y'all. I'm gonna lower the passenger window down a little bit so y'all can get some outside clips. Hopefully it's not too windy, but a little pull from 60 for y'all real quick. Some of the outside sound from the inside, and I'm gonna put the camera outside to get some outside footage. Hopefully it's not too windy on the outside, but we'll try to get that out in the edit. Check it out, talk about it a little bit more, so y'all can see the lip, the wicker bill, the diffuser. Oh, and I got the roof wrap, so the roof has been wrapped too. this little area on the outside so y'all can see how she looks. Here's the lip. I'll get that lip. It's hiding this little little hair right here. Little boo-boo. Battle scars, you know. She has rock chips and stuff like that, but you know, she's been a daily 60,000 miles. I think she looks pretty good. She's a little dirty. Here's the lip. Good look from the front. Do a little walk around of her. Like I told you, como dije hace rato, 2019 Dodge Charger Scatpack. Ya necesito agarrar la llanta, ya mira, ya tan bajita, ha dado mucha vuelta. It has red brake calipers. That's another detail I loved about her. Oh, see, look, I told you I had got the roof wrap. It's peeling a little bit right there. I have to get that re-wrap, but it's about what, like 3 years old already, that wrap. So it's pretty old. Looks pretty good. I love it. It's been my baby. She is dirty, so don't judge. You know, I gotta have that little deck to pep on deck. But that's the inside. You know, it's just a Scatpack sedan, cuatro puerta. A little bit of carbon right here. Don't mind that, it's coffee. This I wrapped myself actually. You can see not the best job. Little cut right there, but and I got these shift pedal extenders. This little thing for the little cover. Sucia. I'm gonna get her clean. I'm gonna get her clean. Catch that in another video. Some cinematic shots. If I could get them down, edited. Hopefully they look good. I'm gonna try to edit them because I've been learning the whole process of editing and just trying to get this get these videos set up. It's been a hassle. Like trying to learn from recording, talking to the camera, and editing has been been a learning curve for sure. Vamos a seguir subiendo contenido del carro, de la moto. Quiero agarrar camionetas, camiones, hasta eso también va a haber en el canal. There's gonna be 18 wheelers too on the channel. Hopefully in the future, you never know, because I do love them. I love motorcycles, cars, 18 wheelers, really anything on wheels. I get behind, I drive it. It's my passion. I'm gonna share it with y'all. So. What y'all think? But I'll just get some pics for the Snapchat and the Instagram. Follow the Instagram at ADM_rides with a Z. Por favor, mi gente, sigan el canal sigan el Instagram si les gusta el contenido. Sigan con todo. Aquí vamos a seguirle with the charger, with the bike and everything. So like it, please subscribe, like. Dale, vamos a seguir para adelante, mi gente.